Hey guys, today we have an unboxing from Speed Cube Shop, and these are LingAo clocks. So let's jump right into it. There we go. 1, 2, 3 clocks. These clocks I am going to be making into magnetic clocks. I got some orders from last competition. People wanted me to make them magnetic clocks, so that's what these are for. So thanks for watching. If you want to make your own magnetic clock, I'm selling magnets for them. You check the link below and you can buy them there. Thanks. This is Josh from the Corner Cutter Podcast at thecornercutterpodcast.com.